Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I'll be showing you guys how I make my favorite sashimi. It's cabbage and tin fish. It's really simple and it's so delicious. So I've already grated my carrot, if you can see them. I've chopped my onion, my peppers, and my cabbage is already chopped, and I've got everything ready. So let's get started. So here it's all in the pots. All in the pots. Here we put in some onions and peppers in the pots to fry them. You can fry them according to your liking.
Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
So at this point, my cabbage is almost cooked. It's actually cooked. So I'm just putting the fish at the end because fish doesn't really take long to cook, right? So yeah.
Been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
It's done. Very simple but delicious. I hope you guys give it a try and tell me down below the comments once you've tried it how it was. Hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video.